Please tell me this architecture one part. Okay, for one SAP system, what are the things we need? We need host name, right? Host names and SAP SID. Host name, SAP SID, DB SID, instance names, and instance number.
Numbers.
Okay. Please guide me a few things here. What is the host names here? Any host names?
Hard name.
Entire system name, man.
Host name.
India.
Okay, what is the definition of host name? First tell me that. What you understood. How many physical servers here? How many hardware devices here?
3, sir.
Which 3?
4.
4
Application.
different hardware, different boxes, no? So
Yes.
consider this as a hardware device. Yes, sir. That is also on separate system, no? Okay. So give me a few host names. Host name for this computer.
India.
The first computer. India.
India, Japan, China.
This is one host. This is second one. Third one. Fourth. 4 physical machines I have, right? Servers. The first one's host name is what? India. Second one? Japan.
China. Okay.
Third one? China. Okay, what is this name? Can I go with Korea?
Italy.
Yeah, okay, Korea. 4 host name. How many SAP SIDs I'll have here for this system?
1.
What is that?
Korea.
Okay, what is SAP SID? What is SID? System identifier.
System
It should
identified.
be 3-digit alphabetic or alphanumeric. Then how you are saying it is Korea? It should be only 3-digit. Right? For entire application layer, all application layer is not different SAP systems, only one SAP system. Just I am adding the resources by providing extra RAM and extra processor. So all this layer comes under one SAP SID only. One system only actually. Entire this SID. Okay, this layer, application layer. So give me one name. SAP SID. Suggest me someone.
A12.
Huh?
A12, sir.
812. Okay. DB SID.
Same.
Also A12.
Can I give A13 for this?
No.
Who said no? I told you. You can give other, but SAP is recommending.
We can give, but
there will be so many
it is-
recommendations, but we don't follow all the recommendations, right? Okay, as of now,
okay.
we are following the recommendation. Okay. 8. DBSD. What is how many instances are here? How many? Okay, which one is instance here?
AS,
Hmm?
ASES.
Which one is
Three
ASCS?
instance, right?
First one, India.
First one, India.
Okay.
Application servers, central services.
Okay, this is ASCS. Okay. Oh, this one?
AAS, additional application server.
Okay, this is AAS.
Yes.
This one?
Same, AAS.
Where is your PAS?
Primary.
Think twice while you're answering.
Yes, yes. Yes, yes.
This is PAS. Right? This one you can say AAS.
AAS, additional.
AAS.
Right?
Yes.
How many instances I have here?
3.
One is ACS, second one PAS, third one AAS. Okay? Okay. What are the numbers? Instance numbers?
ASCS
0, 0.
01
One.
01, 12,
02 02.
02.
Yes.
Can I give like this?
Yes, we can.
Yes. But technically, what we do, when it comes to the naming conventions, okay, we don't call it as PAS, AS. The naming convention is somewhat different, like this: DVEMBGS 01. This is DVBGS 02. This is ASCS 00. Can I write like this?
Yes, we can write.
How can you write?
We can.
Boss? In this
No, no.
PAS, you don't have message and NQ, na?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
DVBGS only.
But
BGS 01.
but for PAS, SAP is giving this naming convention. Why? Means when you install your SAP system, you will get one ASCS, second one is PAS. After that, you will install some 10 additional application servers. If every name is DVBGS, 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 and your PAS name also DVBGS, then how you know that which instance is installed along with that ASCS? It might give you confusion, right? If this is also DVBGS, this is also DVBGS, other than DVBGS, DVBGS, then how can you identify PAS? Difficult, na?
Yes.
That is the reason for PAS they gave the same old central instance naming convention. So ASCS 00 DVEMBGS means that is a PAS, primary application server. Got the point?
Yes.
Okay. I'll show you that. By default, how many instances will get? 2, right? If you go to user directory, user SCP, under SID, you will get 2 instances. See, ASCS 01, actually your NQ and message server resides here, right? In ASCS. But in your PAS, there will be no message server and NQ, but the naming convention they maintained is DVEMBGS. Why? To identify which instance installed along with ASCS. From here onwards, everything is DVBGS 01, DVBGS 03, DVBGS 04, like that. So if your naming convention is DVBGS, that is additional application server. If your naming convention is DVEMBGS, that is PAS. If your naming convention is ASCS, that is ASCS. Clear? We don't call PAS 01, AS 02, AS 03. The naming convention is the same old naming convention only. They're considering PAS as a CA only now also. Got the point? To understand which applications are installed along with ASCS, SAP has given that special name for PAS. Actually, you don't have endpoint message server there, but the same old style of naming convention for the PAS. What is instance, anyone? What is instance?
To start any application, need some resources like
Yes, sir. Correct. You are correct only. To start any application, we need resources like RAM and processor.
processor. Yes.
When they allocated, that is called as an instance. Right? To start any application, you need some startup processes, core processes. Core means the important process of that particular application, and the auxiliary process, the tools of that application server, which needs some resources like RAM and processor. That is called as an instance. Right? Okay. See, observe this image. How many missions I have here? How many servers I have here?
Gateway server, message servers.
Not I'm asking that. The hardware devices. How many hardware devices I have? Last image you said 4, right? Now tell me how many hardware devices I have. Try at least give any number.
We are able to see only that Windows Server 2012
Where?
on the screen. Only Windows Server is visible.
Okay.
That
Okay. Wait.
VMware.
Now is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
3.
3. Right?
Yes.
Okay. How many host names I have?
1.
How can I have one host name for 3 servers? 3 hardware devices. I should have 3 host names. For each and every hardware device, you'll have a separate unique host name, right? And how you are saying 3 hardware devices are there?
But these 3 all hardwares comes under only one system.
Is it possible in a real time to install 2 RAMs, 2 CPUs, and 2 hard disks with one CPU, one box, with one host name with 2 hardware devices? Very complex scenario you are saying. Only one hardware device. If you have one host name, only one hardware device. What is that host name?
India.
India. Okay. What is instance? See, exactly instance definition. The resources. Okay. I'm not talking about small systems like your laptops was. Remember that. I'm talking about servers. Okay. I don't have 2 GB RAM, 4 GB RAM, 6 GB RAM, and 2.5 gigahertz processor here. See, here my hardware configuration is 32 core processors, 32 core CPU plus 128 GB RAM. Okay. For this in when installing this instance, I'll give 8 cores CPU and some 24 GB RAM. Not 20, 32 GB RAM. 32 GB RAM. So when this ASCS started, it will occupy 8 cores CPUs and 32 GB memory. And the same host, I'm installing another thing, 8 core CPU. For this instance, I am giving. You said the hardware resources only, na? What is instance? The RAM and the processor to start up any application, it is called as an instance, right? For this also, I am giving 8 core CPU and 32 GB RAM. 32 plus 32 plus 32, what is that number? 96, I think. Yes?
Yes.
Do I have
Yes, 98.
90? 8?
98, sir.
Okay.
98.
Okay. Okay, fine. 98 GB. Out of 128 GB, 98 GB gone. Out of 32 cores, how much?
32.
32 core CPU, 8 cores gone, 8, 8, 16, 16 plus 8, 24 cores gone. Right? 24 CPUs gone. So remaining CPUs are what? Another 8. Right? So I can install another instance also here if I want. I can install another instance also with the name DVBGS03. DVBGS03. This thing will happen in your real time actually. Instance is nothing but it is not mandatory to have a separate host name for each and every instance. Right? Till yesterday, for every instance we are giving one host name. Right? We are trying like
Yes.
this. Okay, we are taking how sorry, just now we have taken this example. How many hardware devices I have? 4. What is the host name for
Yes.
this? India, China, Japan,
Yeah,
Korea, right?
Japan.
So this is one hardware device, this is one hardware device, this is one hardware device. But in this hardware device I am installing ASCS. I am installing ASCS. Here I am installing PAS. Here I am installing AS.
Yes.
Why? Why means lack of hardware resources. If I have huge amount of hardware resources, for example, this is only 4 GB RAM and 2 gigahertz processor. How many instances you can install? Only one. This is also 4 GB RAM and 2 gigahertz processor. This is 4 GB RAM, for example. This is 6 GB RAM and 3 gigahertz processor. So this memory and RAM, this computing engine power is very less. That is the reason I am taking each one hardware for installing one application. But when it comes to in real time scenario, your server configuration will be like this. This is your laptop configurations, right? Your server will have 32 core CPUs, 64 core CPUs, 128 core CPUs, and 128 GB RAM, 250 GB RAM, 500 gig RAM, 1 TB RAM. Then when installing your instance, you can assign the memory limit and the CPU limit. So within one hardware device, I can install multiple application servers. Till then I can install multiple application servers till I get the resources. Now my resources are exhausted, right? Can I install another one? No.
No.
Got it? That means every instance has a number and name. I told you. Every instance has number and name. But I haven't given this statement. Every instance will have a separate host name. Did I tell that? No.
No.
Wait for a minute. Hello. Oh, Assalamu alaikum. Class में हूँ. Class. Okay. So I can have every instance has number and name, but every instance will not have a separate host name. But this instance, what is the host name? ASCS host name is what? India. PA's host name India. AA's host name India
Yeah.
only. This AA's host name India only. All 4 instances has same host name, but every instance has its own number and a name. ASCS 00. This is 01, 002, 03, and the instance names are also different. Got the point?
Yes, bhai.
Okay. If you have confusion also, I'll clear that. Oh. How many hardware devices I have here?
3.
How you are saying 3?
We can able to see separate India, Japan, and
No,
database
the
server
answer should
also.
be there are 3 host names.
China.
Host names are there, right? 3 different host names are there.
Yes.
Means you have 3 missions with you. Okay. When I first install my SAP system, what happens? By default, I'll get 2 instances, right? In the same host, I'll get 2 instances. Okay. I have enough hardware resources like RAM and processor. Can I install another instance here? AS. Can I install AS here? I have enough resources. See, my RAM and processor are available.
Yes,
Can I install?
we can.
Okay. Now this is filled up. These hardware resources are exhausted. Now I'll take another hardware device. In that, I install another additional application server. Can I install like this? Yes. That is what we are
Sorry,
doing.
but I didn't get you. Could you repeat again that? Second one is Japan.
Now you are installing 00 in this and 01 in another host, 02 in another host. Like that, I can install another instance in another host. Yes or no? Here I don't have hardware
Yes.
resources.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. I have enough hardware resources here. Can I install another one?
Yes.
What is that called?
PA.
How?
Primary.
PAS? This is PAS, na? This one is PAS. Concentrate. This is ASCS.
Yes.
Yes. This is PAS. This is AS.
Yes.
This is AS. This is
Yes.
AS. If I install another
Okay.
one, in separate hardware.
A.
Only one instance is there. What is that? AS only. And here the host name will change now. Why? Another system I have taken another box. Okay, now tell me how many SAP systems I have here?
1.
1.
Everyone.
1.
Who said 1? How one SAP system we have was?
As I said earlier.
What I said?
These all systems comes under one SAP system.
I need clarity. This layer, entire layer comes under one SAP system only, right? Even though you have 100 application servers, if you have one database, that's it.
100.
Only one SAP system. How many SAP systems I have? Only one SAP system.
1.
I have my SAP repository, business data, DB repository. Under that, okay, can you give me numbers, instance numbers? Can I give 10? ASCS 10?
Yes.
It is not mandatory to have PAS00?
Yes.
Yes.
12?
Yes.
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 00?
No.
No.
Why?
Already we
Similar,
have
no?
taken
Already we have
PAS.
PAS.
Another
member.
hardware, boss. Another hardware.
No. This also comes under
Even though
Unit
another
one
hardware,
system only.
the SAP system is what? Your SAP system is Dave only, right?
Yes.
Your SAP system, for example, Dave. Under that, it should be unique. Can I give 10?
Yes.
Also.
No.
No.
We have ASCS, no? Okay, can I give 13 to this?
Yes.
Yeah, give me the naming conventions. First naming convention, ASCS 10.
PAS. No.
Don't say PAS again. I have shown you also. DVEMVGS
Okay.
00.
0.
This is
DVBGS.
DVBGS 12.
0.
12. How it is 00?
Okay, bhai. Okay. Got it.
DVBGS
0.
02.
DVBGS
1.
11. DVBGS
13.
just we call it
1,
as
3.
additional application server, but there is, you are calling dialog instance, right? Previously, but every dialog instance has a naming convention. The same way here also, ASPAS also having naming conventions. But only ASCS, the naming convention is ASCS and the instance number. For your primary application server, additional application server, there is separate naming convention. Now tell me, how many hardware devices I have here?
1 only.
Listen to the question properly. How many hardware devices I have here? How many SAP
3.
system means 1.
Okay.
How many hardware device means? Huh? How many hardware devices I have here?
6, sir.
4.
4.
3.
Every hardware device have a host name, right? See,
Yes.
India is one host name, Japan 2, Korea 3, China 4. What is there in that to get this much confusion, boss? And keep on saying this host name. How many instances I have? Then says 7, 3, 5, 6. 6 instances. See, the questions are, see, how many SAP systems I have here?
Only one.
Only
One
one.
Only one.
How many application servers I have here?
4.
Application servers.
1.
1.
1.
2.
Application servers.
3.
Application server, this one.
1.
Primary
3.
application server, additional application server, additional application server, additional application server, additional application server. You are saying applications are this many times.
6.
How many?
4.
6.
How 4, ma'am? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Application server,
Six.
application server, application server, application server is equal to your instance. How many instances we have here?
3.
6.
6 instances.
Don't give the answer in a hurry, okay? Don't give. First listen to the question properly, then give the answer. Before I am finishing my question, you are giving answer, but wrong answer every time. How many instances I have here?
6, sir.
6. Instance is called application server. This is one instance, right? This is one
Yes.
instance. Application server is equal to instance. Everything is same. How many hardware devices I have here?
4.
4.
How many SAP systems I have here?
1.
1.
1.
Only one.
Okay. How many message servers I'll have in this system?
1.
1.
How many
One.
gateway servers?
1.
1.
6.
Every instance
Six.
will have a gateway. Now ASCS will get how many gateways? 5. In
6
ASCS,
gateways.
ASCS no gateway.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
Message
Okay,
server
fine.
and
It's
NQ.
any queue. Yes,
Which
yes.
gateway? So how many gateways
5.
I have?
5.
How many dispatcher I'll have?
6.
Don't give me wrong
No,
answer.
5
First
dispatcher. 5
5
dispatchers.
dispatchers.
here you
ASCS will don't have.
don't have dispatcher, right? How many NQ servers will have here?
1.
1.
Only one.
Only one. Are you sure?
Yes, in
Yes, sir.
ASCS.
Who is
NG
sure?
only one.
Who is sure? Who said yes?
I'm
please.
sure, sir.
No. 6.
Mohsin.
We can.
Who said yes? Only one. Who said one? Mohsin. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, only one NQ server. Someone is saying no. Why no, boss? Nothing is there. Don't get confused.
But in PAS, we can see
I
DVEMBGS.
said what I said. Only the naming convention is there. Even though you don't
Okay,
have
okay.
message server and
That's why I'm
NQ
confusing.
server, you don't have message server and NQ server here. But to understand which instance is installed along with ASCS, when you install your ASCS and PS will come, right? If this naming convention is DVBGS, okay? DVBGS, everything is DVBGS. How can you find out which is PS? That is the reason, only for namesake, to identify that PAS, SAP has put that name as DVEMBGS. But there will be no NQ, there will be no message server in your PAS. Only you will find message server and NQ in ASCS.
Okay, bhai, clear.
Screen not visible.
Your cursor is not.
Okay, one more time. Last time I am asking. How many instances I have here?
6.
6.
How many application servers
Six
I have
also.
here?
6.
6.
6.
How many hosts I have here?
4.
4.
How many SAP systems I have here?
1.
1.
1.
How many message servers?
1.
One.
How many dispatchers?
No dispatches.
Why? Gone.
Dispatches.
Here in
Five.
PS
Six.
we have dispatcher, right, ma'am?
Dispatches.
Dispatcher. Okay. How many gateways?
Right, sir.
5.
How many message
Five
servers?
gateways.
1.
One.
How many NQ servers?
One.
1.
How many dialer work processes?
Dialogue.
Five.
How you are saying 5?
Yes.
Okay. In this instance, I have how many dialog instances here? See, dialog work process. Only one instance. I have multiple dialog instances, right? Dialog work processes. See how many? So it depends upon the hardware resources. Your answer should be like that. It depends upon the hardware resources. That number of work process. Okay, we have time. Only 1 minute left. Can you please relog in? We'll finish within 2 minutes.
Okay.
Okay.
The number of work process we can't say, right? That depends upon the RAM and the processor. How much you allocated for that particular instance. Every instance will have dialogues, background, number of dialogues, number of backgrounds, number of updates, number of spools. Right? How many? That we should know. We'll come to know tomorrow how many. Okay?
Dispatches we can say one.
Yeah, dispatchers you can say, message server you can say, NQ you can say, but dialogues, backgrounds, updates, spools, that depends upon the hardware resources. If you have good hardware, good RAM and processor, then you can configure more dialogues, more backgrounds, more updates, right? Here you'll have dialogue, background, update, spool. Here also for every instance you'll have. Okay, first go to the architecture one more time. Go to the architecture one more time and finish that. Then only we will move further. If you are clear, very clear, not clear, very clear. If I ask some question, your voice should be louder. Yes, your voice is very loud, but with the wrong answer, you are very confident. Don't do that. Okay.
Okay, right.
Okay, bye.
With the wrong answer, your voice is your bass is good, but don't give that. Okay, your voice should be good. In a bass voice, your answer also should be good. Correct. Okay. Finish that. Then only we'll go to second topic. If you understand this, then only you'll understand that. That's why I'm stopping here today. Chalo,
Okay.
thank you so much.
Okay.
Have a great day.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Thank you, Anu.
Yeah,
Yeah,
thank
I'm
you, sir.
sharing the recordings. Are you watching?